Hi, I'm Johnny from Soudal, and in this Product Talks episode I'm going to show you a great product called Multispray. It's an all-in-one water displacing spray. It can be used as a lubricant, penetration oil, rust dissolver, contact spray, shock spray, water repellent and cleaner. So it offers corrosion resistance upon the components that it is applied to. So many different uses. It can be used for loads of different applications, as in the name, Multispray. It's an excellent troubleshooting spray, whether you're dealing with squeaky hinges, stiff key locks or other mechanisms. It's a great all-in-one cleaning and lubricating solution. Depending on the application, you have a couple of different formats to choose from, with its standard aerosol format and our Genius spray. So Genius spray comes equipped with a wide spray and a fine applicator straw for precise applications. First up, what I want to show you is this product's ability to dissolve rust. It's very effective at not only removing rust, but also at preventing that rust from coming back again in future. As you spray this product out, it's very, very cold. So Multispray comes out at around minus 29 degrees, which creates a kind of cold shock effect. Let's take this rusty old bolt as an example. So when you have a bolt seized by rust, there's a few different things that you can do. You could hit it with a hammer, that's one kind of shock. Me personally, what I would recommend is a cold shock. A quick spray combines rapid cooling with deep oil penetration, which breaks down the rust particles, loosening the seized parts. So let's watch Multispray's rust dissolving properties in action. So as you pour Multispray onto the rusty bolt, what you will see is the capillary forces in action. So due to the viscosity of the solution, Multispray works its way up the thread of the bolt. This allows Multispray to penetrate deep into the small crevices and threads, the hard to reach places around the thread of the bolt. So what we can do now is we can leave that in there for Multispray to work its magic. So, another impressive quality of Multispray is its ability to displace water. The best way to show you this is here in this test tube. So I will spray a little bit more of the Multispray solution into the tube. And then what I'll do is I will add some water. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix these two together and see how quick that they separate. So you'll see the Multispray instantly rises to the top and the water remains at the bottom. But if we give it a shake, what we do is we force these two to mix together. Immediately, you'll notice the two starting to separate from the bottom upwards. So once applied in actual application, Multispray continues to work like this, and its ability to repel water, displace water, it doesn't diminish over time. It's very long lasting. So if I was to leave this here in this test tube, it would remain separated for years to come. So as a result of these properties, Multispray is highly effective at protecting metal tools and components against corrosion. So for example, I can spray this filling knife with a little bit of Multispray, and what that's going to do is provide long-term resistance against corrosion, any rusting. So during its life, as it comes into contact with water and moisture, that protective coating is going to repel any water and stop any adverse effects that could have on the metal. So to further show you Multispray's ability to repel water, let's introduce some electricity. So it is possible to use Multispray as a contact spray for protecting electrical contact points from moisture. So typically, the last thing I'd want to do with this is dip it in a cup of water. But that's exactly what I'm going to do. All I need to do is separate the bulb, spray here onto this element, and then do the same again on the socket. And then, in theory, this should be protected against water. Or at least I really hope so. So, as you can see, Multispray has prevented any electrical shortcuts as a result of water through essentially repelling it. In real life, this is perfect for a lot of different applications. So it could be lights on trailers or other outdoor electrical equipment. But it's still very important to note, this spray is not to be used for allowing you to operate electronic equipment underwater. This is a demonstration purely just to show you how effective it is. Please don't try it at home. And there we have it, just a few of the uses for Soudal's Multispray. It's the all-in-one spray for lubricating, dissolving rust, cleaning. It can be used as a contact spray, penetration oil, water repellent. It's so many uses inside one can. So try it for yourself, let us know how you get on. And if you found this episode useful, like and subscribe to our channel. And you can also head over to the Soudal website to find out more information about Multispray and the other aerosol products in our range. See you next time.